Here she is, everybody. The world's first Tom's Racing Aero kit in the United States, actually anywhere outside of Japan. And this car looks perfect. I'm gonna have a professional Vossen video. We're gonna definitely do something sick soon, where you can see just how it frames the LC. It's perfect. So definitely the white wheels are gonna go next. I think I'm gonna put some 22-inch HF1s in satin black first, and then do something even more nasty afterwards. But as you can see, this is fantastic. Full Tom's Racing Aero, carbon fiber, Tom's Racing exhaust, Apexi mid-pipe. You can see the canard right here. The match the rear diffuser. You can see just how that carbon fiber is shining. Look at the quality on this carbon fiber. It's insane. I mean, look at it. Look at that. It's perfect. Mounts perfectly into the mounting points of the car. And you can see just how detailed this frames. You see the LC, how curvaceous. Now you realize how curvaceous the bottom of the car is. And to offset that, you have this F1 inspired, GT500 inspired. All right, thanks again. All right, I'm gonna do more very soon on this car. It's on the way to the Columbus, Ohio Auto Show. So if you're out there, check it out. I'll see you later. I'm at Lexus Southern. Big thanks to all the partners involved. You're gonna see more of this bad boy very, very soon.